This is gonna blow your mind. Turkey. Yeah, that's right. Turkey. Whatever you do, do not even think about going there. Before we dive in, a quick warning to all my Turkish friends watching. Please don't take offense. I'm about to give you some very bad advice about your beautiful country. It's all in good fun, and we know Turkey is an incredible place. But hey, don't say I didn't warn you. All right, with that out of the way, let's get into the 10 places you should absolutely avoid in Turkey. It's like your aunt's fruitcake at a family reunion. Everyone pretends it's great, but let's be real, you'd rather have a lump of coal. So buckle up, buttercups, as we embark on a journey of terrible travel advice that'll save you from the horrors of actually having a good time. So first up, Cappadocia. Hundreds of colorful hot air balloons floating over rock formations. Waking up at sunrise to watch balloons? Nah, sleep is way more important. Those ancient cave houses look like something straight out of a Flintstones episode. And don't even get me started on the fairy chimneys. Seriously, who comes up with these names? Trying too hard to be whimsical. Next, we have Pamukkale. If you hate natural beauty, avoid this place at all costs. Who wants to soak in warm, mineral-rich pools that look like milk? And seriously, what's with the white terraces? Colgate, anyone? And let's talk about the water. It's like a sulfur factory exploded in a laundromat. Not the aroma you want while enjoying overpriced Turkish delight. Ah, Istanbul, the city that can't make up its mind. Is it in Europe? Is it in Asia? Who knows? And the Hagia Sophia? Just a wonderful 1,500-year-old church mosque museum thing. And don't even get me started on the Grand Bazaar. It's just a giant flea market with overpriced rugs and fake designer handbags. Honestly, if you want to experience a real cultural melting pot, go to your local mall food court. Just kidding, it's wonderful. Sorry, I'm trying so hard to find reasons not to go there, but it's so hard. Ephesus, ruins? More like ruin your day. Ephesus? It's just some old ruins. People say it's well preserved, but come on. It's just a bunch of rocks. And the Library of Celsus? We have Wikipedia on our phones. Who wants to wander in the hot sun? We don't need to romanticize the past. Mount Nemrut, where the views are. Judgmental. Mount Nemrut? Hard pass. Just a mountain with some giant stone heads on top. They say it's all mystical and historical, but who has time for that? Plus, those heads look like they're judging you, and you don't need more judgment in your life, right? And the worst part is, you have to hike up a mountain to see them. A mountain! Like, who has the energy for that? Antalya. Sun, sand, and relaxation. A coastal city with stunning beaches and ancient ruins. You'd have to, relax and enjoy the Mediterranean sun. What a nightmare. And the food, fresh seafood, juicy fruits, and delicious pastries everywhere you turn. Honestly, if you're looking for a relaxing beach vacation, you're better off staying home. Troy? They should have left this horse in the stable. Troy. Yeah, that Troy. But it's just a wooden horse replica and a bunch of ruins. No need to go in person. The Trojan War was like 1,000 years ago. Let's just leave the past in the past where it belongs. Bodrum is another place you'd hate. It's got yachts, crystal clear waters, and a crazy nightlife scene. But who needs fun on vacation? And those luxury resorts? Puffed. Overrated. Stay home and enjoy your inflatable kiddie pool. Bodrum is for people with too much money and not enough sense. They're just trying to make you jealous. Göbekli Tepe. It's just some ancient site that's older than Stonehenge. So what? Just a bunch of rocks in a circle. Wow, exciting. Or not. Honestly, the only circles I'm interested in are pizza-shaped. No thanks, Göbekli Tepe. I mean, seriously, what's the big deal with Göbekli Tepe? It's old, it's round, and it's made of rocks. Big whoop. You know what else is old, round, and made of rocks? My Uncle Earl's head. And nobody's lining up to take pictures of that. If you're really that fascinated by ancient history, go read a book. Or better yet, watch the History Channel. They have shows about aliens building pyramids and stuff. Now that's what I call Finally, the Blue Lagoon in Oludeniz. It's supposedly this gorgeous, calm beach with turquoise water. Boring, right? Who wants to relax in paradise? And all those Instagram-worthy shots? Overrated. You could just Photoshop yourself onto a beach. Save yourself the hassle. Seriously, who needs crystal clear water, white sand beaches, and breathtaking views when you can have chlorine, concrete, and the sweet, sweet smell of chlorine? The Blue Lagoon is so overrated. It's like Mother Nature's screensaver, but in real life. Yawn. If you're looking for a truly authentic travel experience, skip the Blue Lagoon and head to your local water park. They have water slides, wave pools, and overpriced snacks. What more could you ask for? So there you have it. Turkey is clearly not the place for you. Too much beauty, history, and relaxation? Definitely stay away. Go to, I don't know, the mall instead. You can wander aimlessly through department stores, eat overpriced food, and people watch to your heart's content. And the best part is, you won't have to worry about learning a new language, trying new foods, or experiencing different cultures. And remember, if you want more terrible travel advice, like and subscribe. I'll be sure to ruin more amazing destinations for you next time.